You probably wouldn't know it anymore today, but the place I'm standing at right now was at one time the world's largest smokeless powder army ammunition plant in the nation, quite possibly the world. We're out here just south of Baraboo, Wisconsin, at the former site of the Badger Ordinance Works, or the Badger Army Ammunition Plant. And from approximately 1942 to about the mid-70s, right after the Vietnam War, this 10,000 acre parcel was one of the largest producers of smokeless powder, sulfuric acid, solid rocket fuel that was used in the manufacture of ordnance for the war effort, World War II, Korea, and Vietnam Wars. Nowadays, this is the Sauk Prairie State Recreation Area. In the 90s, the plant was decommissioned, the entire ground remediated, and this area turned into back to its native prairie lands. Pretty cool place to explore. You can still see the ruins of some of the ammo plant. You can see old farmstead foundations, a couple old cemeteries from when the land before it was part of the plant, and now it's I'm not gonna call it pristine, because it's absolutely not that, but it's definitely a far cry from what it was a couple generations ago. So Sauk Prairie State Rec Area. Also, we're on the site of the Great Sauk State Trail, so this is a twofer here. We're gonna put these parks on the air. November 0 Whiskey Kilo Papa, I got you. Two parks, US 4243 and US 9794. Back to you.
You got the 4243. Let me get that second park for me, please, Michael.
Second park is US 9794.
Thank you. I've got you about a 5-3 in Dew Park, US 0005 in South Dakota, Badlands National Park, and please hold for a second operator.
All right, hey, thanks for your 0005. Put on the second op.
Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo. This is November 0, Uniform Sierra Yankee.
November 0, Uniform Sierra Yankee. Good signal. 55 Wisconsin, US 4243 and 9794.
QSL, Michael, you got you at a 55 here, 55 into South Dakota today.
Hey, thanks for South Dakota. You have a great activation. 73.
73.
This is Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo. Parks on the air. QRZ.
Kilo Echo 9, Bravo Kilo Lima.
Kilo Echo 9, Bravo Kilo Lima. Gotcha. Big 5-9 here into Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
Roger, Roger. That's probably because I'm in the same park.
All right. Go figure. It's a big place. I might have seen you coming in here when we were cruising in.
I've been in here for a while. I'm way on the back side, but I'm sure I'll probably see you on my way out.
Okay, yeah, we're somewhere in the middle. We're somewhere in the middle here. So, yeah, we're going to get a quick 10-15 and then call it a day. So, thanks a lot for the park to park.
Yeah, roger, roger. You're big 5'9" plus, obviously.
All right, hey, you have a great activation. We'll catch you later.
You too, 7-3.
7-3, Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, parks on the air. QRZ. I heard a Kilo Echo 3.
Kilo Echo 3, Echo Yankee. Good afternoon, Michael. You are 5-5 in Pennsylvania.
Kilo Echo 3, Echo Yankee. Thanks for Pennsylvania. Nice 5-3, Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
Roger, roger, Michael. Thank you again for the videos, and 7-3.
Hey, 7-3, you have a good one. This is Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, parks on the air. QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 4, Sierra Lima Papa.
Kilo Charlie 4, Sierra Lima Papa, 5-5, Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
USL, Michael, you're 5757 to Alabama this afternoon.
Hey, thanks a lot for Alabama today. You have a great day, and 7-3. This is Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, parks on the air. QRZ. CQ, parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for parks on the air.
Whiskey Bravo 0, Papa Tango Delta.
Whiskey Bravo 0, Papa Tango Delta, 5-7, Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
QSL, you are also a 5-7, and I am Whiskey Bravo 0, Papa Tango Delta, Portable, Arkansas, QSL.
All right. Well, hey, thanks a lot for the Arkansas today. You have a great day and take it easy. 7-3, take care. Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, parks on the air. QRZ. Kilo Bravo 3, Delta, Uniform Tango, 5-3 into Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you. Kilo Bravo 3, Delta, Uniform Tango, do you copy?
Roger, roger, I got you 5-7 into Maryland, USL.
All right. Hey, thanks a lot for Maryland today. You have a great day, and 7-3.
Roger, 7-3.
Take care. Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, parks on the air. QRZ. CQ, parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for parks on the air.
Whiskey 2, Tango Mike Radio.
Whiskey 2, Tango Mike Radio, 5-5 into Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
You're 5-5 New York, 55 New York.
All right. Hey, thanks a lot for New York today. You have a great day and take it easy. This is Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, parks on the air. QRZ. CQ, parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for parks on the air. Just need a few more. CQ, parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for parks on the air. Was there a Whiskey 6 station? I'm having a real hard time. One more time. Is that Whiskey Victor 1 Delta America Delta? All right, hey, I got you. Yeah, you're way down there. You're a 3-3 for me. Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you. Hey, thanks a lot for Maryland today. You have a great day. Take it easy. And a happy Father's Day. 7-3, take care. Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, Parks on the air. QRZ. CQ, Parks on the air. CQ, Parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for Parks on the air.
Kilo 4, Victor Bravo Lima.
Kilo 4, Victor Bravo Lima. Nice 5-7 into Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
Roger, Michael. Good afternoon. You're 5555 in Virginia.
Hey, thanks a lot for Virginia today. You have a great day and take it easy.
Yeah, same to you. 7-3. Good luck.
7-3, take care. Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, Parks on the air. QRZ. CQ, Parks on the air. CQ, Parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for Parks on the air.
Hotel India 8 Delta. Hotel India 8 Delta.
Hotel India 8 Delta. Good afternoon, David. Nice 5-7 into Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you. Hotel India 8 Delta, do you copy?
Hotel India 8 Delta. I got you about 5252. Please confirm. Hotel India 8 Delta 52 QSL.
QSL. Thanks for the 5-2 Dominican Republic. I got you. I copy you loud and clear and in the log.
QSL. Thank you for the new one. 7-3.
You too, 7-3. Take care. Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, Parks on the air. QRZ. CQ, Parks on the air. CQ, Parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for Parks on the air. God, tuner upper. CQ, Parks on the air. CQ, Parks on the air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for Parks on the air. Kilo Delta 8 Tango Yankee Quebec. Nice 5-7 here into Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
Thank you for the 5-7 into Wisconsin. You are 5-3 into West Virginia.
All right. Hey, thanks a lot for the West Virginia today. You have a great day and 7-3.
7-3, Michael.
And this is Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, Parks on the air. QRZ. All right, we're going to go last call here for the park. Last call for the park. KB9VBR, Parks on the air. Last call.
Kilo Mike 4, Juliet Delta Delta.
Kilo Mike 4, Juliet Delta Delta, 5-3 Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
QSL, I have you 5555 into Georgia.
Hey, thanks a lot for Georgia today. You have a great day and 7-3.
73, thanks for being there.
Hey, my pleasure. KB9VBR, Parks on the air. Last call.
Whiskey 5 Delta Sierra Lima.
Whiskey 5 Delta Sierra Lima, 5-5 Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
Thank you, Michael. You're 5-9 into Northwest Arkansas, Alfa Romeo.
All right. Hey, thanks a lot for Arkansas today. You have a great day. 7-3. This is Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, Parks on the air. Last call.
Whiskey 3 Romeo 4 Alpha Oscar.
Kilo Romeo 4, Alpha Oscar Tango. I got you. About a 5-5 Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
I got you about a 5-8 November Charlie. Thank you for your activation and 73.
Hey, thanks for North Carolina. You have a great day. 7-3. KB9VBR, Parks on the air. Last call.
Whiskey 3 Mike Lima Kilo.
Whiskey 3, Mike Lima Kilo. Hey, Martin. It's been a while. 5-5 Wisconsin, US 4243. Back to you.
Yes, it has, Michael. Glad to hear you out there, my friend. And you are 5-9 here, Lower Delaware.
Hey, thanks a lot for Delaware today. You have a great day. You take it easy.
You too,
my friend. You're booming in here.
All right, hey, 7-3. KB9VBR, Parks on your last call. All right, thanks a lot, everybody. We're going to go QRT from the park, KB9VBR. Oh ho! 16 in the log. Pretty quick. A little over 10 minutes. All right. I guess you can call this one of these lightning round activations. This is the Radioddity HF009. I reviewed this antenna a couple of weeks ago. Just a center-loaded vertical antenna, 3 ground radials. Not too bad. I've used this for a couple times now, and every time I've taken it out, I've had pretty good luck with it. So, especially in the 20-meter band. So that's picked this one today for the activation because we were just in here, in and out. Just something quick here on we're a camping trip here down in the Baraboo, Wisconsin Dells area, and wanted to get these new parks, or get these parks added to my roster. So 16 contacts in the log, a little over 10 minutes, 20-meter band. Band conditions have been what they've been for the past several weeks. So not too bad. Good activation, and a beautiful sunny day here in southern Wisconsin. So thanks a lot for joining us on this activation of the Sauk Prairie State Recreation Area, site of the former Badger Army Ammunition Works. I'll put a couple links down in the video description if you want to learn more about the Badger Army Ammo Plant. But otherwise, questions, comments, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about this video. If you like to see content like this and want to see more, hit like and subscribe. Always appreciate that. I don't ask for that every time, so do that one favor for me. But for now, I'm Michael, KB9VBR. You have a great day, and 7-3.